Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the text transform property in CSS and how it can be used to transform your text in a variety of ways. So what is text transform? Simply put, it's a property in CSS that allows you to change the appearance of text by transforming it to a different case. There are four main values for text transform: uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, and none, with none being the default. Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to do so. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add an h1 heading. Call this text transform. And then let's add 3 paragraphs. All of these words will be uppercase. For the second paragraph, first letter of each of these words will be capitalized. And for the third paragraph, all of these words will be lowercase in all caps. First paragraph, I'm going to give it an ID of uppercase. For the second paragraph, I'm going to give it an ID of capitalize. For the third paragraph, an ID of lowercase. Over in the styles.css file, let's clear out the styles from the previous video and style the uppercase ID. Give this a text transform of uppercase. As you can see, this entire paragraph has been made uppercase. Now for the capitalize ID, give it a text transform of capitalize. And for the lowercase ID, give it a text transform of lowercase. And that's it. With this knowledge, you can take your typography to the next level and create beautiful, professionally looking websites with ease. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.